Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Dodge 4x4 Motorhome. Outside insulation and strength will be considered when choosing body materials. For walls, composite laminate construction is a strong yet lightweight choice. Large, easily accessible external storage areas for supplies, a generator, and outdoor gear will be located all around the vehicle. Use aggressive all-terrain FT or mud-terrain MT tires for optimal traction. Underbody protection to prevent collisions with critical components. Sturdy front and rear bumpers, often with an integrated winch. A robust roof rack to store additional gear, such as kayaks, bicycles, or solar panels. Additional off-road LED lights to increase nighttime visibility. Awnings to offer shade outdoors. Interior, a queen or king-size bed at the back, or a seating area that can be used as a bed. Kitchen, a decent-sized refrigerator or freezer, a microwave, a gas or induction stove, a sink, and enough room to store groceries and cookware. Comfortable chairs and tables that are often used as supplementary beds. Lightweight, durable, and readily cleaned are the qualities of the materials. The interior is filled with well-thought-out drawers, cabinets, and personal storage areas. For towing large loads or navigating rough terrain, a well-known Cummins diesel engine for better fuel economy and lots of torque, or a strong V8 HEMI gasoline engine for amazing performance and torque are the best options. Reinforced front and rear axles support the loads and stresses of off-road operation. Additional off-road features. Some models may come equipped with features like differential locks to improve traction in challenging conditions, hill descent control, and specially tuned off-road driving modes to maintain comfort and stability when driving on highways and negotiating off-road shocks. Use air springs or adjustable leaf springs. Lithium-ion LiFePO for batteries are lighter, last longer, and have a greater energy storage capacity than lead-acid batteries. The navigation system's built-in GPS may have off-road maps.